Presenting a pre-owned 2006 Toyota Corolla CE. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 1-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and a transmission. This Toyota has less than 117,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 28 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, child seat anchors, and seatbelt force limiters.